Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given a question: x power 3 over 2 equals to 4. And in this video we are supposed to find three values of x. Let's provide a solution. Very quickly, here you have to copy x power 3 over 2 equal to 4, and here we can write common denominator which equals to 1. Due to cross multiplication, shall get x power 3 equal to 2 times 4, so that here x power 3 equals to 8. Right, so x power 3 minus 8 equals to 0, and of course x power 3 minus here 2 power 3 equals to 0, and of course for this one we have x minus 2 times x squared plus here 2x plus 4 equals to 0, and of course x minus 2 will be 0, or x squared plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Here x equals to 2, while x squared here plus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Now we can find x 2 and 3, which equals to what? Negative b plus or minus square root of here b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. x2 and 3 we have negative 2 plus or minus here square root of 4 minus 4 times 4 over 2, and this is x2 and 3, which equals to negative 2 plus minus square root of here 4 minus 16 and divided by 2. x2 and 3 right here we shall get negative 2 plus or minus here square root of negative 12 over 2, and of course x2 and 3 will be negative 2 plus or minus here, this is 4 times 3, 2i square root of 3 over 2, so x2 will be 2 negative 2, this is 1 plus I square root of 3, and here x3 will be negative 1 here minus I square root of 3. And always we have to check if the answer is correct, because we have given x power 3 over 2 equals to 4, and you have given the answer is got 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 power 3 over 2 equals to 4. This and this will go to get 4, which is equals to 4, and left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.